Vanilla flavor is so common, especially in the United States where I'm at. Vanilla extract is in almost every single cake or cookie recipe I've ever seen before. Yet there's so much I don't know about vanilla. It starts out as this weird little pod. I know you can scrape the seeds from it, but I've never actually used whole pods in cooking or baking before. I know there's a lot said about how imitation flavoring isn't as good as pure extract, but I've never actually tried that side by side. Honestly, whole beans and pure extract being so expensive makes me hesitant to use them. I'm not sure they're worth it. But maybe I just fear what I don't understand, because there's a lot I don't understand here. So I'm going to take some time, a few weeks, to explore and satisfy my curiosity. I want to test pure extracts and imitation flavorings, make batches of cookies, and compare and see how much difference there is. I want to try beans from Madagascar and from Mexico. Is one better than the other? And of course, figure out whether it's worth it to make homemade extract. I want to know the connection between vanilla and chocolate. Why is that pairing so popular? And what other foods pair well with vanilla? Are there uses for vanilla beyond dessert? And I'm sure I'll run into more questions as I go about my research. I have a bunch of videos on a playlist, some websites to look at, books to reference. I've got my favorite food Bibles here. I got this book that goes into the history and cultivation of the plant. I've acquired quite a collection of different vanilla extracts and flavorings to try. I'm going all out. I'll buy the products and do some testing so you don't have to, and I'll let you know what I find out.